weather very hot today, you know.
Yeah, no time, let's
No time. Hurry up. Oh, crap. No. Dang. Ah. Shoot. Oh, no. Oh, man. What am I going to do now?
Fear not! Vinegar to the rescue!
Wait, you have a solution?
You bet!
To remove the stain, you'll need a few ice cubes, a bottle of vinegar, and a sponge. Step 1. Spray some vinegar on the stained area. Next, take some ice cubes and apply it on the same area and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use the sponge to scrub the stained area. If the stain is still present, repeat the previous steps. After 2 to 3 times, the stain should go away and you will look little something like this. And here's how it looks like before and after using vinegar. As you can see, the ketchup stain has faded.
But how? When we stain our clothes with tomato sauce, which contains lycopene, the stain will be very hard to remove. However, we have vinegar to the rescue! Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is an oxidizing agent. The acetic acid in vinegar is able to oxidize the lycopene in tomato sauce. Lycopene is an organic compound and has the formula of C40H56. It contains double bonds between the carbon atoms, as seen by the 2 yellow tubes here. What the acetic acid does is that it breaks the double bonds between the carbon atoms in lycopene, cleaving the molecule, breaking the double bond system, and eliminating the chromophore. Which accounts for the color of the stain.
When the lycopene gets oxidized, the main products formed are ketones and aldehydes, which are soluble in water and hence can be washed away. We have earlier mentioned that the chromophore, which accounts for the color of the stain, is removed. So how does the chromophore in the lycopene get eliminated? The elimination of the chromophore is called halochromism. Halochromism occurs when the substance changes color as the pH changes. In this case, the acetic acid provides an acidic environment for the change in the molecular structure of the chromophore, leading to a color change from red to colorless, thus eliminating it.
Here's your pie!
Oh, amazing! It's good as new! Thanks! You need to go. Come on, let's go. Thanks!
But wait!
Vinegar has other uses too. Ever heard of a naked egg? Let's see what happens when we put a raw egg into some vinegar. Get a jar of vinegar. Get a raw egg. Drop it into the jar of vinegar. Ouchies. Leave it for 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, the egg should look something like this. The bubbles you observe forming on the surface of the egg is effervescence of CO2 gas forming from the acid-carbonate reaction. Take the egg out. At this point, you can literally rub the shell off the egg with your fingers. Naked eggs are cool, but experimenting with them is even cooler. You have probably already noticed that your naked egg is kind of rubbery. How far above the table can you drop your egg and have it survive by bouncing?
But why?
Let's start by analyzing the anatomy of the egg. A typical chicken egg consists of an outer shell, which is made out of calcium carbonate, and the insides of the eggs are protected by 2 inner membranes. What the acetic acid does is that it reacts with the calcium carbonate in the shell to form calcium acetate, which is represented by CaC2H3O2 bracket 2. This disintegrates the entire outer shell of the egg. Thus, you're left with the inner membranes of the egg. That's why they call it the naked egg.